You are welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel before we go. This stream you are watching, look under by the right hand side. You will see where the right SUBSURIP is. Subscribe. Use your finger to press. It will now change to subscribe with notification bell. Press the notification bell too, so that you'll be receiving my notification as soon as I release my new videos. You are welcome back. Thank you. Yeah, as I used to tell you in my environment, the way barbers use their clipper blade, very critical. Can you see this one now? Can you see this one? This clipper blade now been using over a year. Repackaging. That is why I used to say it almost every day by day in my tutorials. If you want to take sharpening as your profession in my environment, you need to tighten your belts very well. I don't know about another environment, about another area, but in my own environment, the way barbers, stylists, proprietors, people having their own clippers for private, the way they are using clippers here, they are not ready to sharpen the clipper blade at all. Can you see this one now? And as I used to tell you, if you really want to enjoy sharpening, if you want to know much about sharpening, go back to my old videos. Please go back to my old videos. Go and watch my old videos. Join them with the new ones. Yeah, thank you. Can you see this one now? That is why I used to say it. What sharper can do, what you can use electric clipper blade sharpening machine to do, I can use super hard manual sharpening stone to do it better. I'm telling you sincerely. Sharpening, you can use sharper, the electric clipper blade sharpening machine to sharpen. Yeah, many people are complaining. Even there are some barbers I sold my stone to. They say they cannot use it to sharpen bigger or these thick blades. They can only use it for soft blades. And I used to tell them, the stone I designed for them is mainly for all clipper blades. I use it before I transfer the stone to them. Can you see now? I'm proving to you that whatever sharper electric clipper blade machine can sharpen, I can use my own super hard manual sharpening stone to do it better. Because I have sharper, I'm using sharper too, and I'm using super hard manual sharpening stone. Then secondly, if you really want to enjoy sharper very well, know much about super hard manual sharpening stone, know how to use this one very well, super hard manual sharpening stone, professionally, logically, technically, correctly. Okay, when you know much about this one, when you buy sharper, yeah, you will find it very easy to use in the sharpening field. Yeah, let us go now, and I will show you step by step the way you can sharpen this clipper blade neat and very correctly fast. Let us go. Can you see the way the inner surface is? They are repackaging. There's no flatness there again. The inner surface of it has bent towards the mouth of the clipper blade. Let us go now. Yeah, can you see it now? Can you see it? I've sharpened it, everything has shined across. You can see the surface very well. So let me go for the bottom clipper blade now. Look at the inner surface before I start the sharpening. Can you see how this inner surface is? They have repackaging. This clipper blade I've been using now over a year. Can you see the surface, the inner surface of it? Let me go for it now. Can you see the inner surface now? You see where the shining, that U shape is. This inner part of that small blade are very down, very down, very down. Can you see the inner surface? It's changing little by little. Can you see? It's becoming shiny little by little. Can you see? It's becoming shining little by little. When you watch here, can you see? Then you look this side. The shining is going to the front. Can you see it? It's becoming shining little by little. Can you see? It's becoming shining little by little. Can you see? It's going on small, little by little. Can you see? The shining is coming across it. So can you see the difference? The difference is coming out now. So can you see it now, sir? Can you see it? Yeah, can you see it now? Can you see it? You see the black carbon form across from the left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and the back. Can you see? Which means this clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. That is why I'm telling you what sharper can do. I can still use super hard manual sharpening stone to do it better. Yeah, even if you use sharper to do this kind of blade, it has to take you time. Yeah, it is a rotten blade. They have used it, repackaging, the hole is too much there. The hole is too much. The upper clipper blade has drilled inside of the inner part of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see it now? I have tested it, confirmed. Once I tested and I can get this kind of sign, which means the clipper blade have been sharpened correctly, technically, logically, professionally, okay. Yeah, subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for you to be able to see all my YouTube videos. At the same time, press the notification button for you to be seeing my new videos from time to time. Thank you. Can you see what a sharper can do? What you can use sharper to sharpen in the sharpening industry, you can still use super hard manual sharpening stone to do it better. Thank you. See